So we picked this up in the charity shop, 99p, in the PDSA in Thornbury. Let's have a look at the batteries. Okay, that doesn't look very good. That looks a little bit crystalline down there. We have to do a bit of cleaning, aren't we? That one looks okay. But it's flat. Yeah, flat as anything. Okay, well I'll clean out those crystals, put some fresh batteries in, see what happens. Okay, we've got new batteries in it, but it's not responding to any of my transmitters. We've got about 30 different transmitters here at the moment, all 27 megahertz. We've also got a couple of cars in there. That one and that one, they're what I call reference cars, so I can check that the transmitters are actually transmitting. So for example, we know that one's working and it's not operating this one. Although they're all 27 megahertz, they don't all talk to the same receivers. Where's a good example? This one here only operates with this transmitter. Even though it is 27 megahertz. Actually, it's a side issue there. I did show you I picked this up in the recycling centre. I said I'd already got one. And this one only does forwards and backwards. You've got two extra buttons. I put fresh batteries in it, and you will notice that it controls that one. So we've got forwards, backwards, but these two buttons are just sound effects. So at least we've got a working transmitter, even though it's no use to us for this one. So I like these because they've actually got on-off switches, so that when I chuck them back in the bag, they don't accidentally carry on transmitting. We got this one, which is for one of those little robot toys. Forwards, backwards, and you've only got one direction. That normally makes the robot talk. And we got this one that I rather like. As you could see, forwards, backwards. That one gives us, that's actually left turn. And that one, we get the buttons actually, yeah, needs a bit of effort to get that one to work. So clearly this has got an ordinary transmitter in it, just arranged differently for the different buttons. So not that it's very practical to be able to try and drive a car like that. It does have the full facilities, and it's got an on-off switch, which I like. So yeah, I've been through all of these and none of them talk to that one. So that might just be there's a wire off somewhere inside, or it might mean that we need yet another transmitter. drop my glasses then. You might have seen the video where I bought this in a charity shop, and this is exactly the same. It doesn't...
I'm Dusty. I mean, my name is Dusty.
Makes noises, but it doesn't receive any of these transmitters, even though this one's 27 megahertz. So I've got to take that one apart at some time. And we're going to have to take this one apart just to make sure there's no broken wires inside, because I might be wasting time trying all my different transmitters and then find out it's battery wires loose.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.